we have a tangent, which rule we can use? When we have a circle, and in this circle, we have a tangent and a secant. Like this is a tangent, and we have secant. Then how we are going to write the formula to calculate, if I'm going to write letters like this, A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay, so which formula we can use it to answer this question in case we have tangent and we have secant? How we will calculate the answer for this question? Which rule? Grade 9, which rule we can use it to calculate the length of the
The
secant?
answer?
Who's talking? Hannah?
Honey.
Yes.
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 AB power of 2
AB power of 2
equal BC minus BD.
BC minus
BD.
multiply, Hannah, multiply, right? So it will be A
Okay.
to the power of 2, which means AB times AB equal BC times BD. Okay, then AB square, which means AB times AB equal BC times BD. Then in this question, for all the ideas in the second page, we have this rule. And we said that we can use the previous lessons to answer the question. Then if I will check the first question here, question number 16. It was BQ, he put X, and QR 12, and QS is 12 plus 15. Then we will write the formula first. X square equal, this is 12, and we have to add QS, it will be equal 324. In this part, we will find the value of X. Let me say something. The value of X square, if you have X square equal 324, to the answer, it should be what, grade 9? The answer should be what? Square root, square root, and square root. For any, this is an equation, right? If we want to find X square equal 324, so the answer should be positive or negative 18, right? But in this case, we will not accept negative. Why we will not accept negative, grade 9? Why?
Because
Mm,
because the tangent doesn't accept negatives.
yes, because the tangent, the length of the tangent, we can't accept it by a negative sign. We can't find a segment with negative 18. Then it will be positive 18. Now we only choose BQ because he said here we are looking for BQ. Then we will back and we will write that BQ equal X. Let's move to the next question, this one. Where is the tangent here in this question? Where is the tangent in this question?
Or
The tangent in question number 17
RS.
is what?
RS.
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 Yes. And the secant is RP. Then we are going to make the same rule. RS to the power of 2, which means 36 to the power of 2. And then we will multiply QR or RQ time RP. RP, it will be X plus 24. Then 36 to the power of 2, it will be 1296. The opposite side, I have 24 plus x plus 24. Then 24 multiply x plus 24. Now we will distribute 24 over the parentheses. فرح محلب فرح
Yes.
حبيبتي, it's not necessary to write the sign multiply once you have a parentheses, right? Because any number before the
Okay.
parentheses means that you are going to multiply. Okay?
Okay.
Be the same. Then we will distribute now 24 times x, it will be 24x, and then 24 times 24, it will be 576. Now we will combine the like term together. We will subtract negative 576 from the both sides. It will be 720. Now we have 720 equal 24x. We will divide both sides by 24 to find the value of x. So the value of x, it will be equal 30. Let's move to the next question. Question number 18. In question number 18, we will use the same formula, np to the power of 2 equal x times x plus 48. We are going to make 70 to the power of 2, 4,900, equal x to the power of 2 plus 48x. How we can solve this question? How we can solve this question, grade 9? Grade 9. I'm waiting, grade 9. How we will find the value of x? Hmm.
X equal 50 and negative 98.
Yes, x equal 50 and negative 98. We will accept the both two value for x, grade 8, grade 9. We will accept the both value of x, or we will refuse one. We will accept both. We can't accept this.
We will only accept it.
Yes, we will accept only the positive value, which is 50, right? Because the length of BQ is x. The length Okay, we will continue. Then
This is the waiting list. Can you enter?
who?
British.
I accepted her already.
Okay.
Okay. Then, did you understand, ya Farah, how we can solve this question now?
Yes.
So the missing part, every time I note that you stopped when you have a trinomial, right? Like question number 20.
Yeah.
Question number 20. So this is 20 to the power of 2 equal x times x plus 42. Then we will distribute x over x, it will be x squared, and then x times 42, it will be 42x. Now, what is the next step we have to do it? What is the next step here?
We're gonna make.
Huh?
We're gonna move 400 to the opposite side with the negative
Very good.
sign.
No, it will be 4 x squared plus 42x minus 400, and then we will find the value of x. What is the value of x now, grade 9? What is the value of x now in this question? It will be It will be how many? The value of x in this question, it will be how many? Grade 9. What is the value of x?
It will be 8 and the negative 50.
Yes, it will be 8 and negative 50. We will accept both or we will refuse?
We will
We will
refuse
refuse
only
negative
positive.
50.
Yes, we will refuse negative 50 because this one, it will not be a length of this part. Then the right answer, it will be only x equal 8. Okay, let me move to another question. In question number 23. Question number 23. How we can solve this question, grade 9. In question number 23, we said 3x to the power of 2 equal 3x to the power of 2 equal 2x times 2x plus 10. Then we will distribute. So we have 2x square equal, 4x square equal plus 20x. Now we have 9x square in your left hand and you have 4x square in your right hand. So we have to combine them together. We will transfer 4 to the opposite side. So at the end we have 5x square equal 20x. How we will continue the next step to find the value of x? How we will find the next step to find the value of x? Okay, Abdurrahman Abu Talib. Abdurrahman Abu Talib. Abdurrahman, you are in the meeting. Abdurrahman Abu Talib. Abdurrahman Khalid. Abdurrahman
Yes.
Khalid. Could you please continue, Abdurrahman?
Okay.
You didn't send your homework yesterday, Abdurrahman.
I send it now. I just sent it.
Okay. 9x to the power of 2 equal, 5x to the power of 2 equal 20x. How we will find the value of x in this question?
Is it 20 what? I can see.
20x. 5x squared equals 20x. I'm looking for the value of x in this question. It will be what?
We will make square root of 5x.
You will make square root for 5x squared, and you have the other side, you have 20x, Ya Abdurrahman. How
We
you
will
will
make
find
square root for both.
You will make square root for 20x? No, no. So please being attention, and I will back to you again. You told me that you made your homework. This question, did you solve this question in your homework?
This is which page?
200, I think. Second page. You want me to check? Parentheses. 2x times 2x, it will be 4x squared. 2x times 10, it will be 20x. Now we will transfer 4x squared to the opposite side. It will be 5x squared equal 20x. How we will find the value of x in this question? Okay, ya Adham?
We will make it negative 5x to the power of 2 plus 20x.
Negative 5x to the power of 2 plus 20x. Then tell me your plan to answer. You want to make it zero equation, you mean?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we have two ways to solve this question. First, as you said, we can make zero equation. Agree with you. Then it will be,
Miss,
mhm.
yes.
Then it will be 5x squared. It's more easier to transfer 20x minus 20x equal 0. Then what is the next step? يا أدهم. It's 5x
We will
squared minus 20x. Huh.
we will factorize
Okay, so once you are going to factorize, so the answer with you, it will be,
x equal 4
okay,
and
or
x equal
x
or x
equal,
equal 0.
or x equals 0. You will accept x equals 0?
No.
No, we will not accept. Then only x equal 4, right?
4.
By
Yes.
factorization. I told you at the beginning that we have two different ways. So we can, in this question, we can divide both sides by 5x, right? So we can divide both sides by 5x. So this one, it will be divided by 5x, and the other one divided by 5x. So the answer, it will be x equal how many? X equal 4,
4.
right? So it's different ways, but by the end, we are looking for the same answer, which it will be the value of x. Understood, everyone? Understood, grade 9?
Yes.
We will move now to question number 25. Question number 25. 25, it has the same idea. So how we will find the value of x? How we will find the value of x now? If you understood the previous one, then you can solve this one now. We will divide by how many? We will divide by how many? Sama, where are you? Sama. Abdurrahman Abu Talib.
Answer.
Yes. Yes, honey. How we can solve this question?
We will move 15x to the other side. We'll move
Okay.
15x to the other side,
Yes, and then?
and it will be negative 15x.
Yes, very good. And then?
To make the equation 0
To make the
equal
equation 0
0,
equation. Yes, very good. Then it will be x
and
squared
then we
minus
will
15x. Yes. And then you will find the
then we
value of x. Or we can say, I'm going to divide by x and divide by x. Then the value of x, it will be equal 15. Right? So the value of x, it will be equal 15. Next question, this one is application about multiplying binomial. As I told you, grade 9. All the lessons we can solve the question by different lessons we studied before. So in this one, we will multiply because those are secant and secant. Then if I will write a letter here, so if this one is A and this is B, this is C, opposite side here I have D and I have E, then it will be AB time AC equal AD time AE. AB, it will be x plus 2. AC, we will add 2 plus negative 8. It will be equal negative 6. After that, we will multiply. This is x plus 1, and the whole one is x plus 2 equal 3x, and 1 minus 5, it will be negative 4. Now we will simplify. X multiplied by 3x, it will be 3x to the power of 2. After that, الouter and the inner. Outer, it will be negative 4x. Inner, it will be 3x. So by the end, we have negative x. Then 1 time negative 4, it will be negative 4. After that, we will simplify. We have in the left side, I have 3x squared. Right side, I have 3x squared. Then negative 12 equal negative x minus 4. Now we will transfer negative 4 to the opposite side. You have negative 8 equal negative x. We will cancel negative together to write the number in a positive value. Then the value of x is 8. Let's move to the last question. In this question, we have the same idea. And for this question, x squared equal x minus 2 times 2x. From where we got 2x grade 9? From where we get 2x? Why we wrote 2x here? Huh? Why we wrote 2x? Because we will add what? We will add x minus 2 plus x plus 2. Then 2 minus 2, it will be 0, and x times x, it will be 2x. Now we will distribute 2x over the parentheses. So it will be 2x squared minus 4x equal x squared. Then negative x squared equal negative 4x. How we will solve this question? Huh? You have x squared in your left hand and you have x in your right hand. So we will divide both. This is divided by negative x, and this one we will divide by negative x. So the answer, it will be x equal 4. Okay, so in our lesson today, we explained together more practice about lesson 10.6, which it was talking about segments and segments length in a circle.